Good morning, the students of class 6, Modern International School, Hasua. Dear student, today I am Prakash Sharma is going to teach you the topic of article. That means I want to say you how do you know how to write articles? What is articles? What things need to write a article? Writing articles, dear student, writing articles requires a high degree of creativity, a rich vocabulary, a good command over the subject, in what subject you are writing, some research done, and a lot of organization abilities. In a written book published in a print or an electronic medium, we see various articles published in newspapers and magazines also. There are self-contained pieces of writing dealings mainly with current topics. All my dear students, listen what I am telling to you. At first, you have to know parts of writing. Parts of writing, that means at first you have to write title. That means upper part. What will be the title of this article? This is the heading of the article. It states about the topic. After title, you have to write introduction. That means it is important to introduce the topic. That means what topic you are going to write, you have to introduce to your readers and this part of the article. It is here that a reader will develop interest in reading your piece of work and come to the next part. Keep it crisp, simple, and communicate everything. So, at the time of writing, you have to take attention, please. What I am writing, the language should be simple. Every person can understand this language, what I am going to write. Dear students, next part, main body. The main body may consist of 2 or more paragraphs. That means it may be long, short, medium also. The paragraph should be used to elaborate your idea. What is your thinking about the topic and what you have mentioned in the instructions. Ideally, one paragraph must follow the other and carry on the thought. That means other paragraph, what you are going to write, it carries the idea of first paragraph also. And continue to be clear and specific. Dear students, here you can use elaborate vocabulary to make your writing interesting. That means if you have good word vocabulary power, then you are able to write the article. So, at this time of writing, you have to take care on this matter. And at last point should be conclusion. That means, what do we conclude on this article? So, conclusion as necessary to write at last. A good conclusion or ending leaves reader feeling that the article has come to a successful and satisfying ending. That means the person who is trying to read my article will be satisfied, and it should be understand in the mind of readers what is the aim of writing this letter. That means writer, what does he want to say about their articles by the source of article. A conclusion should actually summarize the idea or give a lead to another idea that you might want to write on a successive article, and it should be engaging and should close the loop. Dear students, suppose that you are asked to write the bad effect, or we can say that ill effect of plastic. You see that day by day users of plastics are increasing. So if you are told to write a topic, the ill effect of plastics, then what will you write as a heading? Then you should write as the title, that means heading of this article, the use of plastic bags. And you can think what is plastic bags, what has its bad effects, what is not compulsory, why it may not be compulsory in my life. If it is not used, what is the result of my life, of my daily usage? So you have to think and try to write carefully. If you are able to think, certainly your article will be satisfied the reader. Thanks. If you have any problem, you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay.